I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your CallApp. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on notifications. You just click on it here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You come here to show message call card. Clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's me show message call card disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.